Well, hello everyone, lipstick creators especially. This is Very Veelo, and of course another video means another color. And today's color goes by the name of Baltimore. It is a beautiful, true, cool purple. And in our last video, we made a color by the name of Philly, which was a darker, deep eggplant purple. But they are very similar in the way that we make them, but this one has a little twist. So stay tuned, you guys. You're in for a treat. Wow. Alright, you guys, so I'm coming out with the big guns. Of course, I'm going to be using my Very Veelo lipstick base, my world famous base, in approximately 1 tablespoon. Now, you guys, this big base, along with the Isododecane remix, is sold as a duo and also separately. And it makes a minimum of 50 bottles. Now, if you have, that's 10 milliliter. Now, if you have smaller bottles that are smaller than 10 milliliter, then you know, of course, this base will make way more bottles. So just to let you guys know, that is the Very Veelo lipstick base. Okay, you guys, so in my previous video, I introduced the pocket color wheel. This color wheel can be purchased at Amazon, and in our previous video, you see me achieve a darker eggplant purple. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to start at blue-green, and you see me turning the wheel to red underneath, and you know blue-green and red gives you purple. The only difference that we're making today is we're going to be using a pink instead of a red to achieve purple. So I'm just showing you guys different ways to achieve purple because, as you know, I don't like using the purple pigments that are already made. I feel like they're a little dull and the payoff is not as strong. So in order to get things started, we're going to be going in with the DNC blue number 1 leg dye in half of a teaspoon because, of course, you know it is more blue, and then it is more blue than green, so we're adding a larger quantity of blue. And then right after that, we're going to go in with our DNC yellow number 5 leg dye in 1/4 of a teaspoon. Wow. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to lighten things up a bit, and we're going to go in with a titanium dioxide in 1/4 of a teaspoon, and we're going to be mixing. Now, when mixing, you guys want to be sure to mash, mix, scrape, and repeat as if you are painting the bold. I know titanium dioxide sometimes can be a little tricky when mixing it in. You know, some people say they can't stop seeing white, but the key is to really press it into the product. You have to press it into the product and scrape the bowl as you see me doing here. Another option, TKB Trading actually has the titanium dioxide concentrate, which is a great idea. I will begin to use those. I'm going to test it out in my next video so that you guys can see exactly how it works, but I think that we have a winner there when it comes to titanium dioxide. All it is titanium dioxide mixed with glycerin, and I believe that in a little amount wouldn't really change or alter our product. Next, I'm going in with the DNC red number 27 leg dye, and like I explained at the beginning, instead of using red, we're going to be using pink today to achieve this purple because I wanted that nice girly tone, you know. So I'm going in. I wanted to brighten it up, if you will. So that neon pink is going to do a great job at brightening up our lipstick. Remember, you guys, when mixing, we are pulling everything from the sides of the bowl to the center of the bowl, and we are basically mashing, mixing, painting, repeating, just basically incorporating everything together.
Wow.
All right, you guys, so I'm going in with the best matting solution of all time. And I'm not just saying that because it's mine, but it is way more potent than regular Isododecane. I keep telling y'all. So you can visit www.veryveelobeauty.com to get that as well. Like I said before, I sell it in a duo and I also sell it separately for your specific needs. Now, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of the Isododecane remix. After the remix, we're going back in with more color because that's just what we do. The DNC Blue No. 1 Lake Dye and 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then shortly after that, we're going to be going in with more of the yellow as well. Yellow No. 5 Lake Dye and 1/4 of a teaspoon. And right after that, I'm going back in with the pink as well. That's the red No. 27 Lake Dye and 1/4 of a teaspoon as well. So what we're doing here, we're just putting the color back in because now our lipstick has officially become a liquid matte after we added the Isododecane to our product. And right here, you know, if you want, you can use a whisk because at this point it is liquid, or your spatula is just fine. You guys, this is just a regular cake frosting spatula. You can get one at the Dollar Tree, your local Dollar Tree, or you can get this one from Bed Bath & Beyond. I believe I paid $2.50 for this or so. All right, you guys, so now I'm going in with a color swatch, and as you can see, this color swatch is a little too dark, and not only that, the color payoff is not as strong. Sometimes that happens, but that is okay. All you have to do is go back in with more color, so that is what I'm doing here. I'm adding the DNC red No. 27 Lake Dye, that is the hot pink, and then I'm also going to be adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of the white titanium dioxide or titanium oxide. It's all the same. So now I'm just going to mix very, very well.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going in with a swatch check and look at the complete total difference. One time for that Isododecane remix, by the way, they are both completely dry. I just love, love, love it. And the purple came out exactly as I expected. It's beautiful. I love it. It's amazing. It's perfect. Alright, you guys, being that my lipstick is liquid, I'm going to go ahead and just draw up the syringe, the product into the syringe to prepare for bottling. And I'm going to take my bottle and I'm going to insert the product into the bottle. You guys are more than welcome to use a, what is that thing called again? A piping tip? I don't know, but you know what I'm talking about. A pipette. You guys can use a pipette, but being that, you know, the product is liquid, I just go ahead and put it in. So you can do it this way as well. It's all a matter of preference. And then I'm going to fill it up, but not all the way to the top, because I at least want to be able to put my stopper in. And just like that, we have created our own lipstick again and again and again. You guys are so great at this. It is easy. Don't overthink it. Just do it and have fun with it. And there you have it. Baltimore purple. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, you guys, lastly, I want to give a huge shout out to one of my day one supporters, Mrs. Jewel Cool, and I want you guys to do me a favor and go subscribe to her channel. She does a great job at keeping us mommies together and in the loop with fitness and health and all things mommy. I love, love, love her so much. As you guys know, classes are still in session, and I want to send a huge thank you to all of my students who have participated in the class so far. We have learned so much from each other. It has been an amazing experience. And if you guys want to get an in-depth lesson on color theory, we're talking about making colors. We're going to do the lipstick base, and we're going to also touch on so many fun goodies that I haven't quite gotten into on the videos. You guys, you don't want to miss out on this class. If you want to take this class or you have any questions about this class, feel free to email me or DM me on Instagram. Either way, I will respond back to you when time permits. And you guys, if you want to partake in this class, you go to my website at www.veryveelobeauty.com to register. And you guys, I am just so excited, so excited. As always, I want to thank you for all of your love, all of your support. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe. What are you waiting for? Oh my gosh, this is the lipstick gang. Thank you again. And if you haven't already, also follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. That's at Very_Veelo. And as always, I love you guys and stay blessed.